Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ulta beauty haul. So the first thing I got from Ulta was this skincare kit. And it's a kit of the Origins bestsellers. So it says it's a $74 value and you save $45. So this cost $29 at Ulta. And it comes with 5 mini versions of their products. So it comes with a cleanser, mask, treatment lotion, youth serum, and moisturizer. And it came in this pouch, which is really adorable. My moisturizer, my frothy face wash. And I've already used these products probably like 5 times now, and I really like them. My mask. So the face wash is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And I really like this. It's like, when you put it on your skin, it kind of feels like minty kind of. And it makes your face feel like cold. And when I use it, then I feel like my skin is really clean. And then the second step is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. And I've only used the charcoal mask once because it says that you should use it once a week. But this was really cool because it's not that thick. So even though the products are like in really small packages, then a little goes a long way with all the products. Because I've already used the mask and it looks like I never even opened it. And then the third step is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. And I like this because it's just like really liquidy, but it like goes onto your skin really smooth, and it's really easy to like cover your entire face since a little goes a long way. And this just makes your skin feel really refreshed. And this one says it rapidly reduces visible redness, and I definitely noticed that when I put it on. And then the fourth step is the multi-powered youth serum, the Plantscription. And then when you put this liquid first, then it's really easy to spread this through your whole face with just like one tiny drop. And then the last one is the Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. And I really like this moisturizer. And also with all these products, and I noticed that in the morning, my pores definitely looked smaller. My skin looked really moisturized, and it was honestly like night and day, like the first time I used the products. And my sister also got the kit too. And she also noticed like a huge difference in her skin, like just using these ones. And I think it's because it has all these like serums and everything that I usually don't use. I usually just use like a cleanser and a moisturizer, but I definitely would recommend this kit. And it is $29, but I think each of the products is probably like near like $20 for the regular sizes. So it's a really good deal. So right now for my skincare, I've just been using these products and also the CeraVe moisturizer, the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and also my DIY turmeric mask that I'll link the video for that above this and in the description box below. So next I got the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream, and if you guys have ever seen the advertisement for this, then the girl has like it on one half of her face and you can see her like redness and acne on one side, and then she has this on the other side, and it's completely just one color. And I used this for the first time yesterday, and I got it in the color medium 310C with cool peach undertones. And this is like so full coverage, it's not even funny. Like this is probably the most full coverage product I've ever tried. So if you have a bunch of dark marks like I do, then I would definitely recommend this because it completely covered like everything on my face. And it says skin-loving ingredients, collagens, peptides, and niacinamide. And it says ditch your basic foundation. This color-correcting cream is the only product you need. So I would definitely agree with that because I didn't even have to use foundation yesterday when I used this. And it also has broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. And I think this was $14. And then the next thing I got was, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with the Maybelline Lifter glosses. So I got another one in the shade Topaz. And I think my other one is the Rose shade. I'm not sure. But these are literally like the best lip glosses I've ever used. And even when I was checking out, then the cashier said that she loves the Maybelline lifter glosses, and I was like, yes. And it has hyaluronic acid, and they're like really long lasting, and like they make your lips feel really moisturized. I would highly recommend this if you like lip glosses. And then the next product I got was the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick, and I think this was only like $3, and I got it in the color Cherry, because as I was making my way to the checkout, then they always get you with the extras, and Good Burger reference, and it was only $3, so I just had to get it. And then I got the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the color Mauve Glitz, and it's kind of the same exact color as the Topaz Maybelline lifter gloss, but you can tell it's a little bit more pink. So I haven't tried this or the e.l.f. lipstick yet, but I have tried the new shade of the lifter gloss, and I really liked it. And then the last product I got was the e.l.f. monochromatic the e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick in the color Glimmering Guava. And I also used this yesterday when I did my makeup, and I just dabbed it. After I did all my makeup, I just dabbed it on my cheeks, and then I use a beauty blender to blend it out, and I really liked the color, and it like blended in really well, and the pigment didn't like wear away because of my face makeup underneath. So I really like this too. And also, I don't know, wait. Yeah, so that was $4 for the monochromatic multi-stick. And now I'm going to demo the different products for you guys. So first, I'm going to put on the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. And I'll also link all the products down below in the description box. And also a little really goes a long way with this CC cream too. I noticed that yesterday because I put kind of too much on. And now I'm just blending it with a beauty blender. Like, as you guys can see, it's like so full coverage. Okay guys, so that was all the products that I got from Ulta, and these are what they look like. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos, hair care, and lifestyle. And also guys, comment below if you want me to make a video reviewing the Origins skincare. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.